Hello tailors! In this video I show you a quick and simple pattern of the sleeve. I found this idea in the designer's portfolio, which inspired me to create this video. For this pattern I'll use button ruler. Put the ruler on the fabric and circle. Then add 2 cm around the perimeter. We measure 5.5 inches from the upper less wide part and draw a line. On this line we measure 3 inches. Cut this line, and so for one sleeve we need 2 such identical parts. On the top of the cut, we are assembling with a hand stitch. It should turn out 5 inches. This is the length of the shoulder. If the length of your shoulder is longer, then increase the perimeter allowance instead of 2 cm by 4 cm, for example, and make an incision longer. The flat part of the incision will be at the upper point of the shoulder. And the assembly part will lie at the bottom of the shoulder. We fix the back of the sleeve in the same way. That I fix parts of the sleeve on a mannequin, in the same way you apply them to the shoulder seam of the blouse. And remember that the shape of the sleeve depends on the choice of fabric.